Hi, I'm Paul Wheaton, and this is my 8th Kickstarter. Today's river of information about the world's problems is frustratingly low on solutions. The few provided solutions seem to be an afterthought, or promoting a product, or pushing people into something political. Sometimes a solution is presented along with the message, if everybody did it, it still wouldn't fix the problem. I have a list of really good solutions where if even half the population did it, it would fix the problem. I have tried to get those solutions out there. I wrote articles, produced YouTube videos, published podcasts, produced DVDs, spoke at events, and have been interviewed for magazines, newspapers, radio shows, and podcasts. A cohesive book has been long overdue. My buddy Sean offered to help me glue all those bits and bobs together into one 47-volume set of books. And then he helped me whittle it down to a single 200-page overview. Then we shifted the primary function of the book to be so people can buy the book by the dozen and give it to others in an effort to effect real change through substantial education. So our reader is most likely not the buyer of the book, and possibly a bit reluctant to read it. Next, we spent a year debating over each point, sentence, word, and speck of punctuation. Now that we've run out of stuff to bicker about, it must be time to publish. Other solutions seem to be dominantly about sacrifice. Drive less, turn your heat down, buy stuff, don't travel, take cold showers, eat sawdust, shake your fist at bad guys. No, not those bad guys, these bad guys. Write letters to politicians, volunteer, and whatever you do, don't complain if the volunteer organization is dysfunctional. Sean and I have put a strong focus in this book on things that lead to a more luxuriant life, while simultaneously solving the world's problems in a large and significant way. In this book, we will provide a metric for each problem so that we can chip away at our own personal impact on the globe and maybe, eventually, even cover the footprint of 20 others. The book is done. And now there is editing, layout, printing, and a list of other hoops to jump through to get the book in your hands. This is the big Kickstarter question. Is there enough interest in this book to print it?